Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across a phone experience host.exe system error. The system detected an overrun of a stock-based buffer in these applications. This overrun could potentially allow a malicious user to gain control of these applications. So PhoneExperienceHost.exe is a process in Windows that manage the telephony-related functions of the operating system. It is responsible for tasks such as phone call, notifications, messaging, and other related functions. And the causes of these errors are corrupted system files, outdated device drivers, and conflicting software. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to reset the Microsoft cache files. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type this command keyword ws reset. So just type this command keyword ws reset, and you can see now this is the run command, and then click open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. And you will see now here at Microsoft Store that these settings are going to back in default. So that's why we will do this command keyword ws resets to clear and fix the error at Microsoft Store. Alright, so once you're done in here and then close, and the other solutions we will do is to uninstall phone link. So open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type this PowerShell, and then you need to right click and tap run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator Windows PowerShell, and then next step, so we need to enter this command keyword that get-appxpackage space, and then Microsoft.YourPhone space / remove-apppackage. And next step, so we need to copy this command by using this keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. And then next step, so we need to paste in here, so use this keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B, and then press enter. And then once you enter this and the other command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword sfc space /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So that's why we will do this, or we will perform this ffc tool commands is to fix all corrupted files in our Windows system. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so we need to close this PowerShell, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart again. Okay, click only restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix PhoneExperienceHost.exe system error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.